In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images after upload in WordPress. This is a useful skill to have because images are a crucial part of any website, enhancing its overall appearance and functionality. Often, though, images that are too large can slow down your site and impact its performance. So, let's dive into how you can easily manage this issue and keep your site running smoothly. First off, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all of your website's functionalities. Once you're logged in, look over on the left side of the screen for the media section, and give it a click. This is where your entire media library resides, a library that's home to all your uploaded images, videos, and more. Now that you're in the media section, you'll want to click on Add New to upload a new image that you might want to resize. Choose an image file from your computer, and let it upload. Now, with the image uploaded, look for it in your media library and click to open its details. Here you'll find an Edit Image button. Click on that to proceed. Once you're in the editing interface, you'll see options that allow you to manipulate your image in various ways. For resizing, look for the Scale Image section. This section lets you input new dimensions for your image. Before you make any changes, it's crucial to decide the exact dimensions that fit well within your web page layout. You don't want an image that's too small, losing quality, nor too large, eating up your page load time. Aim for an optimal balance. Type in the dimensions you want, and WordPress will automatically adjust the other dimension to maintain the original aspect ratio. This is a key point. Keeping the aspect ratio prevents your image from looking stretched or squished. Once you're happy with the new size, hit Scale to apply the changes. It's as simple as that. After resizing, always remember to save your changes. Check the front end of your site to see how your resized image fits into your overall page design. If the image looks good and your site maintains a quick load time, you've done it right. But remember, resizing images is not only about visual appeal, it also helps improve your site's speed and SEO, which is important for user experience and search engine rankings. Before we wrap up, a quick tip: if you're handling many images, consider plugins specifically designed to automate image resizing for every upload. It gives you control and consistency without manual repetitive adjustments. And there you have it, you've successfully resized an image post-upload in WordPress. Keep practicing these steps to hone your skills, and feel free to explore more features that can optimize your site's performance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your WordPress experience.